पर तारीख, तारीख पर तारीख, तारीख पर तारीख, तारीख पर तारीख मिलती रही है, लेकिन इंसाफ नहीं मिला मिलोड, इंसाफ नहीं मिला। मिली है तो सिर्फ ये तारीख।
Namaste everyone. So today, for another adventure of mine, I'm dressed very formally and as a lawyer because, as you can imagine where I am, I'm at the Delhi High Court, and it's really important to be dressed up like a lawyer because today I've heard from a lot of people that you get amazing food at their canteen. So I was like, why not try it? One of the most important things of visiting the High Court is that you actually need a lawyer friend. So hi Tarini. Very important to have a lawyer friend to enter the High Court. So like make lawyer friends because you might need them in later on in life because you know divorces and all. Matlab be real in life because life's a bitch. So we are at the High Court campus और जिस तरफ देखो lawyers and lawyers. Can you imagine? And everyone's in black and white. Like, I absolutely don't feel out of place. So, we are at the first floor of the High Court, and these are court chambers?
Courtrooms.
Courtrooms. So,
Courtrooms
not
and
that
registrar
fancy.
rooms.
So, these movies show you nothing is real. ये तो बहुत ही boring office ही building है.
What are you saying?
Yeah, like
I
it's...
saw your court. Come.
हाँ, so wait, I have to show people something else also. As you can see, यहाँ पर एक दावत चल रही है जिसमें the menu is छोले भटूरे and kulfi, so not very exciting. So we are skipping it. Also, food is over. This is also the dawat for the famous judge, Dr. Muralidhar. So some
Farewell.
yeah, the farewell lunch for Mr. Muralidhar. So some fun scandals here. Also an observation. If you see this expanse, you see that it's an ocean of killer whales because killer whales are also black and white. So we are at the Delhi Bar Association Advocates room. There is not even a vending machine or a coffee machine or tea machine or anything. I feel sad for them. So this is quite a fancy place now. We have come to the new wing of the Delhi High Court, and as you can see, it's got a very airport kind of feel. ऐसे जैसे लगता है जैसे मेरी flight आने वाली है, like Tung 6C155 to Bangalore is going to depart. Please move to your gates or whatever. So, oh, और यहाँ escalator भी है. I don't know what happens here.
No, I don't want to tell you.
अरे tell me now, please. Can you please explain us?
So this
It's like the e-tech version of the court now because they have screens on which when the matter is called out, the matter automatically comes up before the judge. He doesn't have to like nobody has to give him the file which is open, which is dusty.
is High Court.
Guys, we are finally here. The Delhi High Court Bar Association Members Cafeteria. और जहाँ पर फिर से killer whale मछलियाँ भरी पड़ी हैं. Black and white. So we are finally here at the Delhi High Court Members Association Cafeteria, and as you can see यहाँ बहुत ही weird सा एक table का है, but let's just ignore it. It's a canteen, so let's not keep our expectations really high. Also, as you can see, the menu, that's the breakfast menu, the lunch menu, and the evening snacks menu. So the lunch menu, which we will be eating, is from 12:30 to 3 p.m. But according to me, I think we can eat both the lunch and the evening snacks menu. Yes! So the first dish on the menu is the famous chicken biryani of the Delhi High Court cafeteria. And as you can see, we've just ordered half a plate, so the quantity is good. Oh my god, it is actually quite good. Like, the salan and the biryani is like, is not bland, it's pretty spicy and it's got like quite a lot of flavor. So, quite nice for canteen standards, I must say. Also, I've ordered the Delhi High Court Members Association Cafeteria cold coffee. It's a little too sweet, not as strong as I like my coffee to be, but not bad. Like you can do with it. Like you can just be like, हाँ canteen है, मेरी school की canteen से तो बहुत better है. So yeah, still a Tharani is having a orange juice. How is your orange juice?
Very nice, very fresh.
So it's freshly squeezed orange juice for Tharani and some cool coffee. So now in front of us is another famous dish of the Delhi High Court Members Association cafeteria, angry chicken sandwich, and as you can see they have also given us the famous ketchup bottle, which gives it a real flavor of you being in a canteen. As usual, this female is sleeping as I continue with my food review of the Delhi High Court Members Association cafeteria. Some of the things that are important for a sandwich are the filling, the bread, the texture, and the overall feel and the aftertaste. So here we go. It's not bad, but there's a lot of onion in it, which I really don't like. It just feels like there's too much of onion in it.
You're a rich candy.
And the bread is fine, and they've tried to layer it a lot, which doesn't make sense because they could have just done with 2 breads. Right now there are like 3 bread slices in it. So they could have just done it with 2, which would have made it a little better. Now we'll try it with the sauce. Oh my god, this sauce just reminds you of the good old days of school. It's just like that pumpkin sauce that we used to have in school, and it's just made me very, very nostalgic. And it actually makes the sandwich actually taste better. So, wow! And now we have a very, very canteen type of thing. Fresh lime soda, sweet and salt. It's very sweet and salty. Yeah. So we have one more lawyer with us who's here, and she's going to tell us about her opinion about this cafeteria. Advocate Mehwish, and she's going to tell us her thing. So do you like anything about this canteen?
Everything is good here.
Jhooti.
But right now you were saying you don't like much of the things here.
No, I just said I don't want to have chicken sandwich right now.
So what is your favorite thing at the cafeteria?
It's dosa. Yeah, dosa is prepared well.
See, I had told you we'll order dosa. You only said
नहीं
no.
था ना?
You said कड़ी चावल कौन खाता है canteen में
भी
आके?
अच्छे हैं.
It's time for the king of canteen foods, the famous Sam's. The samosa is here, and I'm now going to try the famous samosa of the Delhi High Court Members Association cafeteria. Yeah. So guys, are you ready for the Sam's? Really good. Like it's first of all इसमें mutton नहीं है, which is like the best thing because mutton in a samosa is the worst. We don't like mutton, and the crust is really nice and it's really hot and spice भी ऐसे decently है. So good job Delhi High Court Members Association cafeteria. I'm wearing the famous cape, the lawyer cape. Oh my god. Why?
I'm asking.
Excuse me, I'm going to post every bloody thing that I've recorded today because you are getting disqualified. So after having those amazing samosas at the Delhi High Court Members Association cafeteria, we went for an arbitration, and as I had expected, it was really not fun. It was really boring. There was this one really old retired judge जो अपना खुद बैग उठा के आए थे, and then also he was using a feature phone like Nokia 1100. So I was feeling really sad for him. And then this woman was just like reading some papers, और फिर उन्होंने एक फाइल पास करी, फिर उन्होंने वो फाइल पढ़ी, और फिर उन्होंने कुछ साइन वाइन करे. फिर that judge gave some advice to Tarini and the other, and it was really
To be friends.
yeah, to be friends. Like he was giving some friendship advice to the lawyers of both the parties, and I was like, what is this? It was really boring. There was like no तारीख पे तारीख या दामिनी.
तारीख पर तारीख, तारीख पर तारीख, तारीख पर तारीख, तारीख पर तारीख मिलती रही है, लेकिन इंसाफ नहीं मिला मिलोड, इंसाफ नहीं मिला. मिली है तो सिर्फ ये तारीख.
But anyways, the food was nice, so like that is what I'd come for. So to have more sort of a lawyer effect, just carry around like this government type of file as a yellow color ki people really think like, oh my god, koi lawyer hai. So now we are at another sort of canteen area, which is I think for everyone because ये थोड़ी सी ऐसी cheap type canteen लग रही है. These multiple stalls over here, and I have bought another sort of like cold coffee, and it's amazing. Like he's made it strong, extra strong, the way I like it, and it's just for $30. So yeah. So it's 5:30 and the Delhi High Court has shut down, and we are just going back now, and I'm loving my look, like this whole sort of like cold coffee and yellow file in my hand. Like sometimes you really like to like live other careers, like मुझे आज इतनी लॉयर टाइप फीलिंग आई है ना, मैं क्या बताऊँ. like बस एक दो बार मैं ऐसे माई लॉर्ड कहीं बोल लेता तो मज़ा ही आ जाता. पर मैंने बोल लिया ऐसे, मैंने कोर्ट में जाके एक दो बार कुछ बोल लिया था, बट फाइन चलता है. So see you, bye, say bye Larni.
Bye.